A very healthy yet simple and tasty moong dal paratha I'm making. Moong dal or yellow lentil is famous because of easily digestible proteins in it. It also contains good amount of vitamins and minerals required for growing children to keep their skin, hair, bone healthy and for their overall development. This is one of the first dals that we offer in India, right? So moong dal I've soaked for around 15-20 minutes, and then I've cooked it in a pan until the water is drained, and then I'm adding chili powder, salt, and coriander powder, cooling it down a bit, and then giving it a quick stir in the mixer, and adding paneer, coriander, onion, garam masala, and preparing the mixture and keeping it aside. Now I'm preparing the dough with wheat flour, and just like normal paratha, I am filling it in. And it is a simple, quick dish that you can make in the morning because parathas are easy. Kids love to bite and eat them, and you don't have to make any side dish. You can serve them with curd. My kids loved it. Yes, they were a little cranky. My little one was a little cranky in the morning this day, but he loved it absolutely. He finished it in his snack box. And you do give it a try. Tell me how you like this moong dal paratha.